Everyone says they want to be rich, but most people don't actually want money. They want what money gives them: the ability to breathe without fear, to wake up slow, to say yes when they want and no when they should, to spend time with people they love instead of tasks they resent. We think we want wealth, but deep inside we crave freedom. Financial freedom is not a number, it's a feeling. It's the absence of dread, the quietness of mind when bills arrive, the calm that comes from knowing that life won't collapse if you stop working for a while. Freedom is being able to live life on your own terms instead of renting your time to survive. Some people earn little yet feel free, while others make six figures and remain trapped in golden cages. Look around you. Many people chase more. Bigger homes, newer phones, higher salaries, louder lifestyles, but they don't pause to ask a simple question: what is all this working for? What is the point of money if life still feels heavy? If weekends are spent recovering instead of living, if every month ends in stress despite earning more than last year, if more income only increases spending, anxiety, and emptiness? Freedom begins when your life costs less than you earn, not when you buy more than others. A person making modest money with low expenses and peace is often freer than someone earning 10 times more but trapped by EMI, lifestyle pressure, and status addiction. Simplicity is underrated because society confuses wealth with display, not stability. Financial freedom means having options. You can leave a toxic job and not collapse. You can take a break without sinking. You can say no to people who drain you. You can pursue work you enjoy rather than work you endure. You control money instead of being controlled by it. Think about time. It is a currency no one refunds. Real wealth is when you buy back your hours, your mornings, your evenings, your presence. When you can spend time with your kids, work on your body, learn something new, or sit quietly with your thoughts without feeling guilty, that time is being wasted. Freedom is not retiring early, it's about living fully now. Some people believe financial freedom happens only after millions. But here's the truth that hits hard. If you cannot find peace making little, you may not find peace making a lot. Because freedom is not only earned with money, it is earned with discipline, choices, clarity. You need less than you think. You need enough stability to sleep peacefully and enough purpose to wake up excited. It starts with cortisol, control over spending, desires, habits, control over the urge to impress strangers, control over emotional buying and rushed decisions, control over your time, attention, and environment. When you stop chasing status, money stage. When you stop trying to look rich, you start becoming rich. When you build life around meaning instead of appearance, freedom arrives quietly. Financial freedom is not a finish line, it is a lifestyle, a philosophy, a way of living lightly instead of heavily. It is a point where money stops being the loudest voice in your mind. It is a moment when you no longer ask, can I afford this? But instead ask, do I even want this? The difference is everything. You might have less than others today, but if you have peace, if you own your time, if you spend thoughtfully, if you live intentionally, you are already richer than most. So ask yourself tonight, what do I really want? More money or more control over my life? Because if you build the second, the first comes naturally. Money buys things, freedom buys life, and one of them is far more valuable than other.